I'm about to swim over to the salon for my trial. And I don't know how I'm not going to accidentally drop my umbrella in my parking lot, in my driveway. So it's going to be wet. Woo. Oh no. Why isn't it working? Okay, I got it. How do you get inside? They say don't be late. But how do you get inside? This is it. Rooted Studio. So I just got dolled up for my wedding trial. I'm not used to looking this heavy. But no, it does look nice. I'm just not used to it. My eyes look amazing. And I'm on my way home. Oh. I'm actually hungry. I'm not usually hungry this early. I'm ready to get married.